Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Danielle. I'm Miss Happy Housewife. If you have just stumbled upon my channel, welcome. I like to go and teach people that there's no such thing as a perfect housewife, just a happy one. Here's what we're going to do. So yesterday, if you didn't catch yesterday's video, I'm going to put a link right up here. I think it's going to be over there. Go ahead and start with yesterday, because what we're doing is we're actually building healthy habits, and the habits are going to help you keep your house in order. So remember, yesterday we loaded our dishwasher and we got dressed to shoes. We also shined our sink. So how did it feel waking up and seeing your beautiful shining sink? So today what we're going to do those things again. I'm already dressed, see? So now that we've gotten dressed to shoes, the first thing we're going to do is we need to unload the dishwasher. So remember, there may have been some things that you couldn't get in the dishwasher last time. I know I have some. So I'm going to go ahead and empty out the dishwasher and load all the dishes that I have left in there. And then we'll talk about what's next.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want.
Now, the beauty of that kitchen sink is people have dirty dishes. They're not going to want to put it inside that sink. They can just put it directly inside of the dishwasher. Now, it may take a little bit of time before they get the hang of it, but they will. Watch, just watch. You'll be very, very surprised. So next what we're going to do is we're going to do a load of laundry. Only one. And we don't want to make it into a very large load because we want something that's going to be manageable for us to wash, dry, fold, put away. So I'm going to go ahead and start that load of laundry.
So let's move on. It's alright, 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 so let's move on. We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey.
The key to our laundry routine is we want to do these small loads one every day. And eventually you're going to bring down that huge mountain of clothes that you have. One small load a day and you're going to have all of your clothes in order. That's what we're going to add new. Now I'm going to go through my normal evening routine and I'll be right back.
I am on top of the world. I am on top of my life. And it is all 'cause of you, you, you. I am stronger than before. I'm not alone anymore. And it is all 'cause of love, 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 I am invincible now. I am unstoppable now. And it is all 'cause of you, you, you. I am stronger than before. I'm not alone anymore. And it is all 'cause of love,
In the next video, we're going to be doing just a little bit of decluttering, so you're going to want to make sure you check that out. And I want to thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.